What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can read from the title above, below, or wherever you're reading it, today is just going to be a serious kind of sit down video, but y'all know me, I'm not, you know, super serious, so I'm gonna give y'all a little commentary. I'm not gonna cry in this video, although the thumbnail might have a little moment, you know, but that is actually how I feel about the situation. But we're not gonna do any more crying on my channel because that's no me gusta. We're not gonna do that. We're not gonna pull the James Charles, a silent cry, girl. We're gonna be like, push it out, girl, push it out, girl. But in today's video, I'm going to be discussing something you guys been wanting to know for a minute now, and I just haven't got around to talking about it because I just, you know, didn't want, you know, to put that out there. I don't know, I just didn't want to like tell anybody. I just only told like the people closest to me, and I showed the people closest to me. Yeah, it is something that definitely has put a hinder to my little breast augmentation videos here on my channel. Now, I wasn't going to continue to make breast augmentation videos, but you guys did want an updated video or just like a Q&A about my plastic surgeries. That is what we're going to be talking about today. I'm just going to open up and share with you guys some things that have been going on with my girls right here. But before I get into all that, I want you guys to follow me on all my social medias. Now, y'all don't have to. That's not what I really want to say, but still follow me on Instagram. A full disclaimer before I do start, this is no way, shape, or form bashing the place that did my surgery. Now, I feel like they did a tremendous job. I did have a great experience, but I guess it is something that has to do with me and how I took care of my boobs. I got my breast augmentation about a year ago, so yeah, I've had them for a minute now, and I have let them, you know, do their thing and do what they was supposed to do or whatever. So I'm for sure they're completely healed. This is like the final result. They're gonna be like, it is what it is. Like, there's no changing it unless you want to get surgery again, which we're gonna be discussing. When I did get my boobs done, I did not have that much breast tissue in general to, you know, fill up my chest. I was 119 pounds when I got my boobs done, but now I'm about 111. So obviously I'm super skinny now, but I had a little bit more fat on me, but not on my chest because it was still a bird chest, you know? It was just like pre-hormones. Like, I looked like I didn't even develop nothing. I'm gonna go over the specs of what I got done. Now, I got 450 cc's of silicone implant in my chest. I got under the muscle because I didn't want to get it over the muscle and then have it look, you know, kind of wonky, but I low-key wish I did because I wanted them to look a little bit more done, you know, done up, you know, but I'm not complaining. I love my results. At the end of the day, it is my body. It is like something that I did. So when I got my boobs done, everything was, you know, chill. Everything was like smooth sailing. I had a great experience. I have videos. I'll link them down below. Everything was smooth sailing for about like 6 months tops until I started like getting some pain in my chest, and it was only in this boob right here. It was just like a little tightening pain, and I really don't know if it was like capsular contractions. Like it felt like, I don't know, it really felt like it was like squeezing, like somebody would like that. It mainly happened when I laid down, which I lay on my side. I don't lay on my boobs. I lay on like this side, which is my good boob. So I lay facing the window where my camera is right now. So I started experiencing those pains about like 6 months into having my breast augmentation. Now, they were dropping fine. Everything was going well. They were looking great. Like, I loved my boobs. Like, obviously when they fully dropped, I was like, girl, I gotta wear a push-up bra now because they're not like looking as done as I want them to. And I'm wearing a push-up bra right now. When I started experiencing that pain, I did not contact my doctor, which I know that's dumb of me to say. Like, I didn't even contact them. I still have yet to contact. When I was experiencing those pains, it was for about a month, and it wasn't like continuously. It was not like something like I was like, shit, like my boob hurts like all the time. No, it was just like certain times when I experienced those pains, I would see like a dent form on the inside of my chest. Like, it was just like a little indentation. Like, it just looked like a finger pushed the implant, and then you could see like a little, like, you know, a little thumb mark. It looked like a thumb mark. And I was just like, oh shit. And it only did that when I had pains, and it would go away. So I was like, okay, let me just see if this will pass. It might be the muscle just trying to, you know, adjust to the implant. I wasn't really tripping too much because I did read my little articles online. I didn't contact my doctors. I couldn't walk into my doctor's office because it's in Miami and I'm in Vegas. So like, I was just like, shit, like I'm fucking screwed. So let's just hope and pray that like everything gets situated by itself and my body just like chills the fuck out. Fast forward to now and what I'm experiencing now, and you know, my main issue and main concern with my boobs. To be completely honest, I have rippling in my chest. I was aware that you experience rippling when you have saline implants. Now, I didn't really know if you can get them with silicone implants. A lot of girls with saline, you can see their ripples like a lot. So I just went with silicone, but I am experiencing ripples. Now, the rippling is not in the same area that most girls do get ripples if they do end up getting rippling, which is right here on the side of your boob, like your low side boob action. Mine is in the front and it's on this boob, the problem child. This one is perfect. I love this boob, but this one always gives me hell. It doesn't hurt anymore. It doesn't have pain anymore. It just has rippling now. The rippling starts about right here, like right there, and then it goes all the way down to like, I don't know, like right here. It's not that much. It's about 3 little lumps, like little finger dip in. So I took off my bra so you guys can get a feel of what I'm talking about. Now, you can't really tell from just first glimpse of, you know, where the ripples are or any of that. Now, you will be able to see them if I pull myself forward. I'll show you guys exactly what I'm talking about and like what I'm going through right now. So here's a better look at them. This is me tilting over, you know, leaning forward, and then watch when I stand straight up, the rippling goes away. But once I like bend forward, you can see the ripples right. I'm gonna pop up a close-up picture of the, you know, rippling, just so you guys can get a feel of what I'm talking about. I don't know, I might be over exaggerating, but honestly, truly, like, it's there and everybody notices when I do show them. They're like, oh my god, like, girl, that's scary. Like, even my man knows, like, girl, you got ripples, but I'ma still love you, girl. Yeah, that is literally what has been on my chest as of late. Now, I don't know if it's gonna change. I don't know if like things are gonna change or anything. It's been like this for a while now. I don't experience any pain, so I really don't know if this is going to be like the final look of my boobs or like just how they're gonna be. And I've accepted it. Like, I don't really think that my boobs look horrible. I don't think they're like super botched, but it is an imperfection and it's not on the side. Like, I would be so fine if my ripples were like on the side, not in the front. The only way I can really cover the ripples is when I wear the push-up bra, which gives me more of a, you know, done look, which I do like, instead of a natural look. But yeah, it's just something I really wanted to open up to you guys about. I didn't want to like talk about it too much. I didn't even want to do an updated video on my boobs because I didn't want to like put that out there just so I can receive negative comments. But this is something that a lot of girls and trans girls should consider. I wanted to make this video because I think it would definitely help the girls that are interested in getting their breast augmentation done, as well as the trans girls, which I think what the issue was with my complications and how it like happened is because I got too big of an implant size. Like I said, I literally had nothing. I had a bird chest and I put 450 cc's in me, which is like a full C, close to a D. If you are stretching your skin that much, like obviously I have a whole bunch of stretch marks. I paid the consequences. My boobs have stretch marks all over them because I did stretch my skin just like that. So I would not recommend going super big your first time. If you could get it twice or go for a smaller size, do that because it will save a lot of complications. And another reason I think I did end up with these complications is because about 3 months after I got my boobs done, I started wearing push-up bras. Like, all I would wear was push-up bras because although like I got my boobs done, they weren't like the goal I liked, you know. So I pretty much wasn't satisfied and I just wore bras, and I did do my massages and all that stuff. But I think having the boobs pushed together did make it experience some complications. I feel like that's what caused all of it, to be completely honest. I think it was like the push-up bras. But as of now, I know I'm completely healed for the most part, so I just wear push-up bras whenever I want. That's basically all I wanted to go over in this video, is what I've been experiencing. Just a little update on my chest. Now, I do want to get my boobs done about 4 years from now, which is no time soon. I just want to wait until, you know, these expire so I can go get me some new ones, girl. And when I do, I'm going to go bigger, and I'm probably going to go with like, y'all gonna see if y'all stick with me. Yeah, I do want to get it fixed when the time comes. I'm not in no rush. I'm completely confident in my boobs. Like, I love my boobs when I'm topless. When I do have clothes on, like, this is a cute look, this is a natural look, but everybody tells me like, girl, are your boobs real or fake? And like, a lot of people think that I haven't got my boobs done until I wear my push-up bra. So my push-up bra is my handyman. Like I said, I like my boobs when I don't have clothes on. I love how they look, like they look popping, okay? But when I do put on clothes, I do like to have a push-up bra just so it can give me that oomph, you know, extra oomph. Apart from that, I'm completely confident in my boobs. Like, I'm not tripping that I have ripples. You know, I did know going into surgery that there was going to be risks, there was going to be stretch marks. Like I knew there was a whole bunch of risks, and when you have that mentality and you don't go in there thinking like, oh, I'm just gonna have like the biggest titties, the best titties, like there's always going to be something small that you don't like about your boobs, and this is quite frankly what it is for me. So yeah, I hope I don't get too much hate on this video. I hope you guys can see the ripples. I'm gonna add some pictures in different lighting, because I don't know if you guys seen in the clip that I, you know, was showing y'all. But yeah, if you guys did enjoy this video, if you guys did take anything out of this video, or if y'all just think my boobs look fine, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you guys have experienced some rippling, if you guys did get your boobs done. And a little question for you guys: what plastic surgery would you consider or have you considered in the past? But I hope you guys did enjoy this video overall. Now, without further ado, I love you guys with all my heart. Peace, love, and dildos. Bye guys.